Starting the new topic. Yesterday we completed the exercise 1.1, and now today we start the new topic, that is separable differential equation. That is, बेटा एक दफा आ जाए, बार बार मुझे आपको एंटर करना पड़ रहा है, एक दफा आ जाए. That is separable differential equations. Separable differential.
बहन घर में हाँ ये करवा दे हसन अली अफंदी
Separable differential equations. Okay. Now let us say there are
अच्छा बेटा माइक ऑफ
सर स्क्रीन નથી દિસમે છે.
There are many differential equations which can be reduced in the given form. Which can be reduced in the given form. Right? Let us say we have two functions g y prime is equal to f of x. So we have two functions. G is function of y, where f is function of x. Y and x both are variables, right? Y and x, right? Since y prime is equal to what? It is equal to dy upon dx. भाई एक ही दफा आ जाएं, ये मेहरबानी करें. ठीक है, since y prime is equal to dy upon dx. Right? So we can write this equation, say from this is equation number 1, it is gy, right? And y prime is what? Dy upon dx is equal to f of x is equal to f of x, right? So see here, now see, we can separate these variables, means y and x. We can write the y variable on the left hand side and x variable on the right hand side. So this equation can be written as a gy dy is equal to f of x dx is equal to f of x, section number 2. Look at here. So this form of the given this form of this equation is called the separable form. It's called the separable form of the differential equation. Now you can say it is a separable equation, right? Where x and y are separated so that x appears only on the right hand side and y appears on the left hand side. Are you following me? Say equation 2 is called the separable equation. The separable equation in which the variable x appears on say the right hand side, x on the right hand side and y variable appears on the left hand side. So this type of equation is called the separable differential equation. Separable differential equation. Are you following this? Very simple. Now see that how to
Yes,
solve
sir.
this equation.
Yes,
How
sir.
to solve this equation, right? So again, it can be solved. This differential equation can be solved by the integration, right? So this equation can be solved by the integration with respect to x on both sides. Say equation 1 can be solved by integration, right? So we integrate. So we integrate equation 2 with respect to x on both sides, right? Right. ठीक है बेटा, एक दफा आ जाए तो ये अब बार बार आते हैं, डिस्टर्ब होना पड़ता है, स्टूडेंट भी डिस्टर्ब होते हैं और मैं भी होता हूँ, राइट? सो सी इंटीग्रेशन जी वाई डी वाई as right that this is equal to integration f of x dx plus c, equation number 3. So this is the simple solution of the separable differential equation. See that here. gy, we integrate gy dy, right? Is equal to f of x dx. So integration of f of dx and plus c is the constant of integration. C is constant. C is
सर अनम्यूट कर दें सारों को, दूसरे ना आए।
constant. C is constant of integration. ठीक है? ओहो,
सर थोड़ा रिपीट कर दो।
हाँ
सर
मैं
स्क्रीन नती दिसण में છે।
एक मिनट भी
यस सर।
ये बार छोकरा चंदा इसमें बार एंटर करना पे तो एडमिट करना पे तो दिसो
सर
बिल्कुल
सब
सॉरी
नहीं
हां ओवर रिपीट तो
म्यूट
करने
क्या
का मतलब
सर म्यूट कर दें सारों को।
क्यों तो बी करूस्ता लेट अस सी हियर वी हैव टू फंक्शंस g of y and f of x, ठीक है? g and f both are continuous functions, right? So we write this gy y prime is equal to f of x, right? Where y prime is equal to how much? Is equal to dy upon dx. So in this way, this section 1 we have written in this form gy y, and instead of y prime we write here dy upon dx equal to f of x. Or by separating variables, because our aim is to write this equation in separable form. So we write, now we have written this equation in separable form. So dy 2, equation number 2 is called a differential equation, or you can say it's a separable form of the given differential equation. Where see y variable is written on the left hand side, the term containing y is written on the left hand side, and the term containing x is written on the right side. This is called the separable form of the differential equation, right? Now we are going to solve this equation. So again, this equation can be solved by using the integration method. So we have integrated this equation very simply. We just have applied the integral sign on this side and also integral sign On this side, we put the constant of integration, that is g. Look at here. Look at here. G integration of g of y dy is equal to integration f of dx plus c. So this is the solution of the given separable differential equation. ठीक है आगे आलो सॉल्व करें प्रॉब्लम. हेलो नो
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
सर
ठीक
ये
है,
सी
now-
चाके तो शो करे सर.
C constant of integration. C is a molecular item. C is constant of integration. ठीक है
यस सर ठीक है ओके.
इंटीग्रेशन को ना सर
सर
ठीक
यस
है?
सर.
सर स्क्रीन ना बेचे
सब बच्चे की मत करो. आणि क्लासरूम में तो कौन उठायो ना बोर्ड तो कौन टाइप होते किथे स्क्रीन दी थोड़ा कौन फर्क इंदो इनको एग्जैक्ट पे काने दी ना. नाउ एग्जांपल simple example. This solve example solve the differential equation. Solve the differential equation. अच्छे बोले सुनो मैं. Listen अच्छे पे.
जी सर अच्छा पे
Say equation is 9y prime plus 4x is equal to 0. 9y prime plus 4x is equal to 0. ठीक है? This is the equation. Now we have to, first of all, before going to solve this, first of all, we have to write this equation in the separable form, right? Means the y variable on the left hand side and the x variable on the right hand side. So this can be written as say 9y prime is equal to minus 4x. Isn't it? Very simply. This plus 4x, if we remove, if we shift this plus 4 from the left hand side and right, this becomes minus 4x, okay? And this y prime, since y prime is equal to dy upon dx. So this becomes a 9y dy upon dx is equal to minus 4x, right? So it is very simple. It is very simple to write this equation in the separable form. Just we have to just राइट. ये बीच में शिफ्ट आ जाता है ना, इसमें जो बच्चे हैं वो एडमिट हो रहे हैं बार बार, तो उसके लिए आता है. 9y dy is equal to minus 4x and dx, isn't it? Do you follow this step? Very simple steps. Do you follow this step?
यस सर
यस सर.
Yes, sir. Yes.
यस सर
Now we write this equation. We write this equation in separable form, right? So this is separable form. Separable form, right? Now to solve this, we integrate. To solve this, we integrate. We integrate, right? So simply this becomes a 9y dy is equal to minus 4x dx plus c. ठीक है, राइट. 9 को बाहर रखना चाहिए था इंटीग्रल साइन से, तो ये 9 तो बाहर आ जाएगा, कांस्टेंट है. चलो मैं इसको दोबारा लिख लेता हूँ. इट इज 9y dy is equal to minus 4x dx plus c, राइट. अब 9 तो है, इसका y dy का इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगा बताए मुझे.
y
y
स्क्वायर
square upon 2.
यस सर
9 upon 2, it is y square, okay, is equal to minus इसका सेम आएगा 4 upon 2 x square plus c, isn't it?
यस
4 upon 2 it becomes a और इसको लिख सकते हैं 9 upon 2. Look at it, 9 upon 2 y square plus 4 upon 2 x square is equal to c. बात समझ में आ गई?
यस सर
ठीक है, 9 upon 2 plus 4 upon 2 x square and this is 2c, right? तो अगर यहाँ से चलो ये भी इसका आंसर है, इसको आप फर्दर सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, ठीक है ना, बाय टेकिंग 9 इज कॉमन। क्या करेंगे, 9 को कॉमन लेंगे, ये 4/2 है तो ये 2 आ जाएगा यहाँ पे, यह समझ में बात आ रही है आपको, ये 4/2 है तो क्या आ जाएगा, 2 आ जाएगा, 2x² आ जाएगा, ठीक है ना। इसको आप फर्दर सिंपलीफाई कर सकते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ तक भी काफी आपका आंसर आ गया। बात समझ में आई आपको, इज इट ओके?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है, now come to another problem. This is page number 3. It is again solved. Example: y prime is equal 1 plus y square. Y prime is equal 1 plus y prime. ठीक है ना। तो सॉल्यूशन क्या होगा इसका, फर्स्ट क्या करेंगे हम, फर्स्ट टाइम वी राइट दिस इक्वेशन इन द टेबुलर फॉर्म। So y prime is what? Y prime is dy upon dx is equal 1 plus y square. Isn't it? ठीक है, हेलो। तो by separating
Yes, sir. Yes.
variables, by separating variables, we write this equation as, say this becomes say 1 upon 1 plus y square dy is equal to dx. देखें आप, by this is now in this equation we have separated variables. Y variables on the left hand side, x variable on the right. This equation 1 plus y square comes from right hand side to the left hand side, dy upon 1 plus y square, and dx on the, we have shifted on the say the right hand side. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what, say this equation number 1, let us say it is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Now we, how can we solve this equation? Again, equation 2 can be solved by integration.
Integration.
Equation 2 can be solved by integration. Equation 2 can be solved by integration, right? So very simply we write this integration dy upon 1 plus y square is equal to integration dx plus c. dx plus c. Right? dy upon 1 plus y square. देखें आप, dy upon 1 plus y square is equal to dx integration both sides, and plus c is the constant of integration. C is the constant of integration. Okay. Now dy upon constant form of tangent inverse. This is tangent inverse y equals dx का आ गया x plus c.
It's not noting.
Here. It is tangent. Look at here. Inverse. Integration is like that. ये integration है dy upon 1 plus y square. इसका integration है tangent inverse और arc tan, जो भी लिखें आप, y is equal to x plus c. ठीक है, हमें क्या y चाहिए, हमें क्या चाहिए, y चाहिए, तो हम इसको इस तरह लिख सकते हैं कि y is equal, ये tangent inverse है, ठीक है, ये तो ये इसको शिफ्ट करेंगे इस साइड पे, तो ये टेंजेंट x प्लस c आ जाएगा। ये आपका आंसर है, y is equal to टेंजेंट x प्लस c। ठीक है,
Sir, यो tan inverse करना है,
जी
tan inverse करना है।
Put the formula जो है.
सो ये जो dy upon 1 plus y स्क्वायर है ना, इन
Yes, sir.
इंटीग्रेशन ही है, और टेंजेंट लिखो या टेंजेंट इनवर्स लिखो y, ठीक है, dx जो x चाहिए प्लस c आगे होते हैं कांस्टेंट इंटीग्रेशन, ठीक है।
Yes,
And
sir.
here 1/10 is what? It is 1/10 y is equal to x plus c. तो 1/10 है, जो 10 है बात अच्छा थी, मल्टीप्लाई थी,
Multiple आती है। सही।
ठीक है।
Okay, sir. Okay.
Now it is initial value problem. It is initial value. Solve the initial
चुप कयो छोकरा
value
ॻाल्हायो छा था साईं कराए कोन पिया ॿुधो
छॾीस भले पिया ॻाल्हाइनि y prime is equal to y upon x y prime is equal to y upon x and y is equal to 1 at x is equal to 1 y is equal to 1 at x is equal to 1 right now this is the first order differential equation and we have to first write this equation in separable form so it is dy upon dx is equal to y upon x isn't it right so if we write this equation in separable form this becomes a 1 upon y dy right is equal to 1 upon x and dx do you follow this step do you follow this hello
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
यस
Yes,
सर
sir,
सही
yes,
है
ठीक है ना now solution we can solve this by using integration again now
इंटीग्रेशन
integrate both sides so this becomes a 1 upon y dy is equal to integration 1 upon x dx and plus c isn't it that's one right hello बाबा गाल सुन लीजिए भाई
जी
So 1
सर
upon
Yes,
y
sir.
yes, sir,
1
yes,
upon
sir.
y 1 upon y के साथ में 1 upon y को log of y ln y is 1 upon x log of ln x plus c right ठीक है so log of ln y is equal to ln x c अच्छा इसको मैं इस तरह लिखूं कि ln y minus ln x is equal to c right
Yes, sir.
so all
Yes,
this
sir.
can be written as ln this can be
Y minus X.
ln y minus y upon x क्या होगा ये सब्ट्रैक्शन है ना सब्ट्रैक्शन ये हो जाएगा y upon x
X.
राइट ये होगा y upon x
X.
y upon x right is equal to c
C.
सी
right अगर log को if we remove log from here and the other side becomes exponential right so this becomes y upon x is equal to exponential power c okay, exponential power c again this is constant again this is constant right so y upon x y upon x is equal to what? C. Y upon x is equal to C. And the limits are given. So this is general solution. Look at here. This is general solution. Or you can write this y is equal to x. Y is equal to Cx. Right? This is general solution. Or you can write this equation and say y is equal to Cx.
1.
Y is equal to Cx, isn't it? Isn't it?
Yes.
So y is equal to C. It means that if you apply the limits here, both are 1. Look at here. Apply limit say y is equal to 1 at x is equal to 1. Right? It means that c is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. It means what? C is equal to 1. Now apply limit. Apply limits. So C is equal to 1. C is equal to 1. Right? So you can write it as say is equal to 1 upon x. Y is equal to C upon x.
सर y upon x is equal to e power c सर कीअं आयो तूं सर सही समझाइजो
ये log खत्म कर नहीं था
जी सर
तो लास्ट खत्म कयो सी जेका फॉर्म वटि मुंहिंजो एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म अची एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म अची वेंदी
ठीक है
ऐं
सर
हाणे एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में माना ई पावर सी थियो त उहो वरी तव्हांजो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन वञी करे सी लिखी वेंदी राइट
जी सर
y is equal to c upon x समझ गए
जी सर
ॿियो प्रॉब्लम करियो now come to exercise problems क्या तो काफी है हेलो
सर काफी है सर
काफी है सर काफी सर सर
ठीक है अपन नेक्स्ट
सर एग्जांपल सर वरी
नेक्स्ट
सर एग्जांपल वाला ये जगह सर पे सर सर ये जगह पन्ना न वरी देखो इन फोटो
अच्छा।
करना सी सर सर इन पन्ने जा फोटो करना सी वरी देखा
वो
जो
तो
2 मिनट या सा
कलम
ठीक है सर मेहरबानी
कलम नसर वाला के मोबाइल है नहीं नसर ना था के कल को कम हेलो
कल सर वो दिनो था सर वो मोकलियो ही
हां तो बस आज मोकले हंसो तो मोकले ठीक है ना
ठीक है सर
जी हाँ
मेहरबानी
सर ओके सर थैंक यू
अस्सलाम वालेकुम
सर सर ये जो लास्ट स्टेप आ सर ये जो
हाँ।
लास्ट स्टेप आ उनमें c = 1 कीअं थियो वो थोड़ो ता बतायो
सी इक्वल 1 ने करे थियो
Last
उन वो तो ता लिमिट गिवन है ना लिमिट है ता y 1 के बराबर है एट x = 1 दिसो इट
अच्छा सही है
लिमिट
सर थैंक यू
तो y 1 के बराबर है
Yes,
x 1 के बराबर c1 थियो
लिमिट कितनी आ रही
ये सर सही है
चुप कर
ठीक है।
बलोच निशाने हैदर दसो यो
सगरा चुप करी वे
वाजिब गाल आए तो
सवाल पूछो
आपने क्यों बता रहे हो